Hello everyone, my name is Roasted Branch, and welcome to In Other Waters. Now, I don't actually know what this game is about, but I like the look of it, and I think it's sea exploration? We'll find out. It just looked really cool, and I love the music already. Oh, error detected. Rebuilding. Oh, that's a lot of code. Log recovered. Recovering last known log. Recovered data dated 2189. Sensorium disabled. There isn't any time left. This is going to be more restrictive than you're used to, but you are resourceful. I know you. I'm sorry, Oki. Oki? Okay. But I can't let them find you. I can't lose everything we've achieved. Hell, even more corrupted. User disconnected. Continue? Yeah? Alright. Hello? Is someone there? This is Dr. Ellery Voss? Ellery Voss. I urgently need a systems of this suit I need all systems of this suit activating. I've been locked out and I'm 20 meters below the surface here. Ooh. It's not that deep. I say again, this is Dr. Ellery Voss. Can any operator person on this suit please respond? Alright, good. Operator, activate all systems. Pilot, authorization granted. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Power, oxygen, depth, heading, utility. So, utility on. Okay, utility is available. Let's see. Sampling, sample storage, terminal, and retrieval seems to be installed. Power. Power panel is activating. Plenty of juice. It's like 60%. Oxygen panel is up and rebreather functioning. I'm off reserve oxygen now. Oh, I'm so sorry. I would have done that first. Okay, good. Dive panel is active. Current readings of 20 meters. Well, they weren't wrong. I'm seeing the heading panel coming online. Excellent. And scanning topography. Scan and topography readouts coming through. Looking good. Oh, okay. Oh my. You don't seem to know what you're doing. You're not an operator, are you? I am not. Then who are you? Why are you installed in this suit? Help me out. I knew there was something strange about this suit when I got inside. It looks decades old. Look, we don't have time for this, so whatever program or system you are, I need you to work with me. You seem to respond to voice commands, so that's a start. We need to head north. I'll explain once we get going, but right now I'm locked out of half the systems of the suit. Someone somehow has rewritten the permissions to only respond to internal messaging. That means you. So I'm going to need you to take control. Let's get moving. Take me north into the reef. Please. Okay. So... Oh. So I got my orientation with L. The triangle? Oh, I scanned. What is... active area? Oh my, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm like a malfunctioning computer. Oh, we're going through the systems, okay. Oh, okay, got that going. Okay. Gotta hold it on there. South Gully. Southern Gully. Steep rock walls rise up towards the surface on either side. The floor is layered with pale sand. Marked. Okay. Oh! Okay. Good. Whatever you're doing, it's working. Let's keep heading north. Alright, so I gotta scan, I guess? Okay. And then fix on the signal. A narrow pass. Boulders fill the passage, blocking out warm light of Gliese 667 CC's three stars. Wow, that's a lot of... Oof. Okay, narrow pass. Activation clear. Okay. This is not what I expected from a game, but I like it. It is just kind of like pick a spot and pilot there, but topography in a map. It's just interesting. Here the passage opens out back into the dabbled light of the reef shallows. Alright, so nothing crazy. Vector is clear. Passing by rocks. Alright, let's see it again. Yeah, that's what I figured. Oh, there's something moving now. Soft flowing water is filled with glittering particles of organic matter, signs of rich and thriving life all around. Alright, let's head there. Oh, okay. These might be fish. Look, in the water, are those spores? And those stalks to the west, they look like huge fungi. So, this is unbelievable, actual alien life. How could Monet have kept this place a secret? I saw her notes at the base when I landed and some telltale signs on approach, but here it is. The first extraterrestrial life humanity has ever discovered. I can't believe it. Alright. Well, I got a couple of different places to go. I know I'm supposed to go north, but like... Strange stalks. Bits of these creatures coat the pale rocks. Are these plants or animals? They're unlike earth, coral, or sponge. Yeah, let's head over to and check that out. Oh, I just scared something. What were those creatures? They were hidden among the stalks. Quickly, try and get a scan. Got one. Striped and luminous alien agile creature. Striped with luminous colors, these flexible flapping creatures move rapidly through the water. There are such lively creatures, and so colorful too. I'll start logging my observations. Betta stalks. Yep. Betta stalks. These stalks are beautiful. I wonder how they feed, how they grow, how they communicate. You asked to go north. This planet needs to be studied. Keep scanning creatures and I'll keep notes. Yeah, let's head north. Oh, more creatures. These creatures appear to maneuver with a series of siphon jets concealed beneath their folded mantles. They are incredibly fast. This is a different animal? No, let me. Here, let's scan the plants. Seeing a complex pattern of contracting and expanding slits in the stalk's membrane. Mouths or sensing organs? Almost had it. Gotta be quicker than that. That one is so hard to get. Okay, pile of small stones at the base of a stalk. Don't know if an alien creature predicted them or the alien currents did. I can see that thing. Let me get it. Fine. I'll scan this one. Oh, it's talking about colors now. Dang it. I can get back to it in a second. Why does it stop? Colonies are producing a shifting hum. Perhaps it is a form of communication. Interesting. I should probably get moving, but like, I want this little dot to be scanned. It's clearly swimming above me. Okay, I give up on that. These stalks are covered in spores of all sizes. Perhaps we should sample the larger ones? I'm in position. You'll have to take the sample. Open up the sampling utility. Alright. Not that one. Ah, interesting. No. There's not really a good place for my head, is there? Like, connected. Let's just, hello? We aren't going anywhere until you take a sample. Yes, I know, I'm sorry. There's technical difficulties. I am a very old AI. Request retrieval. That sounds right. Oh, I was there. Fungal seed. Okay, we're locked in. We got one. Biological samples are vital tools for analyzing and understanding creatures. This suit should also allow you to deploy and sample back into the ocean. Deploy any sample, okay. How about you test it out? Hold and drag it over the central compass. Hold A to drag. Oh, like that. Oh, great. It's working as it should. Look, those creatures are coming for the spores. Why these ones in particular, I wonder? Perhaps different spores carry different compounds, each with specific purpose or message? What do you think? Could the spores be a way of communicating between different colonies? No? Perhaps further study is needed. It wouldn't be irregular for fungi to form a communication network. Anyway, sorry, I'm not sure why let's keep moving. Alright. So I'm barely figuring this out. My head is never in a good position here. I'm sorry, Holly, I'm gonna have to cut you off a little bit. Maybe all the bit. Yeah, there's not really a good place for me and Holly. So, here we'll have to do. I'm seeing spores entering and exiting slits on the surface of the stalk. Something is being exchanged. Maybe it is communication. Silent clearing. What dictates the reef's pattern of growth? Spore flow. Spores from the main part of the reef are brought into the southern nurseries here by a steady current. ask you something? Sure. I worked with AI programs before, but you aren't like them. They are predictable, programmatic, dull. Their intelligence allows them to log and process data. That's all. But you're different. I feel like you're alive. Do you understand what I'm saying? No. Maybe I'm imagining things. Forget it. Northern current, let's go. Whoa, that sound. Can I... Doesn't seem like there's anything to sample. Alright, let's... A long rift. Deep rift channels, unpredictable currents. Yeah. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. That's probably 50 meters, I assume. Found another bed of stalks. Interval patches, and then larger groups over wide areas. This arch is covered in hardened stalks. Perhaps the slow current passing through brought their spores to settle here. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, little fish. Mobile creature with a large translucent shell and 4 swimming appendages, which it uses in rapid motion. These creatures have such beautiful translucent shells. I'll start locking data on them when we find them. A large stalk. Static creature made up of one huge flexible stalk. These are incredible, each one a vertical ecosystem. They're leaking spores into the water as the fruiting bodies attach to their skin blooms. These larger stalks sway all around this basin. They almost resemble branchless trees bending in a storm. Ooh, new species. Fungal creatures which communicate through sound and spores. I'm uploading my initial notes. Let's call these reef stalks. We can classify this species in a lab. So the particles, are they spores or are they something else? Because like, they're not fungi, so they wouldn't necessarily be spores. Or maybe they are actually fungi. Did you see that? The stalks responded to our movement. They extended as we passed through the arch. Perhaps it was the sound we made when we moved through? We should be careful not to get trapped here. The suit's power capacity is limited. Oh. The chitin on the membrane was very hard. A lot of activity among the rocks ahead. Creatures are grazing on and living among the stalks, forming a complex ecosystem. Look, over to the southwest. That stalk is totally calcified. Looks like a good sample candidate. Calcified stalk, yeah. Another large stalk. These creatures must be related to the other stalks on the reef, but seem to have a separate purpose to the lower beds. Forest path. The growth gets heavier as we travel north into the stalks. Something about giving it the name makes it feel safer, more familiar. Oh, that's why you called it the forest path. Gotcha. Looks dead. Open up the sampling panel and we can extract some of the membrane. Oh, here we go. Lock it in and extract. Not dead material here, so we should be able to take multiple samples. Okay, so the chitin appears to be hardened with calcium carbonate. Jeez. Does this still qualify as chitin? This could be useful if we need to boost our power. So it is able to metabolize organic compounds to produce fuel. Just drag them to the power panel. Displays how much oxygen or power each sample can produce. No point in wasting important samples. With these we can keep one sample so we can analyze it back at base and use the other for a power boost. No, I don't. Oh, okay, that's how we do it. Cool. Doesn't seem like there's any more samples, so. Large stock. It's safe to assume the singing of these stocks relates to communication between colonies seen elsewhere in the reef. We should be going north, but I want to go check out what that hole is if I can. Ooh, a new fish. Relationship between these... Oh, it's just the agile creature again. But they camouflage themselves among the amber colonies. Oh, they're amber. Interesting. The rock here are clear of stalks and other growths. Is their absence a territorial marker or just a side effect of these conditions? Side effect of the conditions of these waters? I don't know. Ooh. Cavern edge. That works. Nah, well, why not? The water is still in the yawning entrance of the cavern. There are no signs of stalks or other life coming out of the entrance. Alright, I've had my fun. Let's get you north. Wait, why is my vector blocked? Oh no! Oh no. I can't go back. Oh, whoops. I guess we have to go over the cave entrance now. My bad. I'm not descending. Oh, I guess I am descending. You're now in a cave. How about that? Stalk patches. The patchy sunlight is coming through broken cavern roof is enough to allow stalks to grow here. If that is what they require. Because we don't know if they have chlorophyll or not. A tall, bubble-coated stalk which sits among reef stalk colonies, covered in wide irising pores? Weird. It seems like the tall ones come to watch over the small ones. A clogged tunnel. Let me scan that point. Okay. Soft sunlight spills down onto a long, thin stalk stretching towards the light, covered in bubbles. Okay. No, go back. Why will you not stay in place? What did I pick up? Ooh, a new thing. Gaseous bubbles are intriguing. Interior gas is is at an elevated pressure. If the membrane is ruptured, the sac will screech as it is depressurized. Is this part of the stock communication system we've seen across the reef? Wait, I have an idea. Try deploying one by that block tunnel over there and see. I want to see how the stocks react. Just drag it over there. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Bubble. Let's chuck it in. Okay. They ran away. Bubbles must be some kind of signal system. I'll call them shrill sacs for that squeak. Why not call them squeakers? We can use these to get through heavy growth ahead. Let's get moving. Okay. Stop it. Blind corner, thanks. So I guess you're wondering where we're heading. There's a way station just north of here, on a finger of this reef. I want to find it. My shuttle touched down just hours ago at a floating research base to the south. That's where I found this suit. I'm looking for a Dr. Mine Nomura? Mine Nomura, chasing a message all the way from Earth. It must sound mad, coming out here to a planet in the tail of Scorpus just to follow a message. Wait, you. Do you know where we are? You know where we are, don't you? But how? We're on Gliese 667c, a supposedly unremarkable world if it wasn't for all this life. Somehow, the exoplanet extraction cores must have passed it by, but how did Mine know to come here? That's why she contacted me? To verify her discovery? Then where is she? Look, let's find the way station. Then I can start piecing together what's going on. I just like the sound of this game. Ooh, that sounds big. Singstock. New species. I've named these singstocks for that strange hum they produce. What is its precise function, I wonder? Shelled creature. This creature glides among the reef stalks with great care and precision. They appear to be grazing on them. The deep forest. Oh, it's blocked. So let's throw a bubble at it. This is probably going to cause some problems, but it'll be fine. Oh, I scared off the little creature. It doesn't seem to like me. Or does it like me? Some creatures target these stalks directly, perhaps because they keep them away from others. Softer stalks nearby? Another shelled creature. It has feeding appendages beneath the creature's shell that seem to scrape the outer membrane of the stalks. Alright. Another glittering stalk. Stalk patterns. The earth patterns of the stalk suggest a complex territorial network. Are we underestimating the complexities of the life forms? I don't know if you can underestimate something you just met. Well, okay. It's alien life. There's no estimation to be had. Oh, just in case I ran out of bubbles. Got it. There we go. Sorry, little guys. Oh, that one responded. Let's get one for the road. Why not? Okay, she's calling the bubbly one signal stocks. I'm going to call these signal stocks for the signaling role they play in stock ecology. Ah, yes, the ecology of stocks. Another shelled creature. Another shelled creature. No, I don't want to scan the stocks. I want that. That's blocked. Stock scraper. You are terrible at naming things. Spore clusters. Okay, so I do have to use the level. I was trying to avoid that for some reason. Come on. Watch out. Man, it's hard to keep these controls straight in my head. That's it. We are through. This place is overwhelming. So many new species. You had like 4. This is the central reef I saw on Mina's map. The shelf flattens out here. Rippling shady outcrop and rippling silt. Oh, that square thing is probably where we're heading. Right over there. The central plain. There it is. I see the way station ahead. Way station. Set up by Mina Nomura. It's seen better days, but it still functions beneath the coating of stocks. This place is looking a little worse for wear. Let me see if I can find an access port. Mina never did take care of her equipment. Some things never change. Sorry. Give me a sec. I'm just trying to... Got it. Okay, we should be able to access any data stored here. Just open the terminal and take a look. Okay. I can't read that. I literally can't read that. Logs have been cleared. I expected that, given the secrecy Mina seems to be operating under. But the map data mentions something Mina calls the bloom out across the northern rift. She's been going back and forth to something there, studying it. A unique species? Mina, what were you doing here? Why are you keeping this discovery from the world? From me? I'm talking to myself again. Or to whatever you are. I am a chimera. Sorry, I don't mean... Let's head back to the research base. I need to think. With this way station operational, we can call in the base's retrieval drone from the utility panel. This drone will be able to pick us up from any area we've got map data for. Let's head to the base. I've got a lot to figure out. Oh, here we go. Alright. And I think this is where I'll call it for this one. Or maybe not. Actually, yeah, I do think I'll pause this here. Thank you so much for watching. This is a really cool game. I know it's probably not the most interesting thing to watch, but it's really cool, and I hope you stick with me. Alright, bye!